meaning of all this exists. We are sharing our explorations together, because there is no authority. Though the speaker sits on a platform because it's convenient, people can see, the platform doesn't give him any authority. Explore and find out for ourselves together if there is any meaning to life at all, or merely a passing event in a long series of historical processes. So to explore in any field, there must be freedom to examine, so that in that very examination there is no distortion. When there is distortion, there is a motive behind that distortion, a motive to find an answer, a motive which you would like to have or which you think will solve our problem, a motive which may be based on past experience, past knowledge, and all knowledge is the past. So can our mind, which is our common mind, because we have the same content in our consciousness. So when you examine your own consciousness, you are looking into the consciousness of man. You are looking into the consciousness of the world, which is you, which is a fact when you go into it very deeply. So a mind that is free, which demands that you as a human being are committed totally to the transformation of the content of consciousness. Because the content makes the conscious. When you are envious or angry or greedy, whatever it is, when you analyze the process of greed, the analyzer is himself greed. That which he analyzes is not separate from him. This is a fundamental reality. What is the meaning and the significance of life? If there is any at all, if we say there is, you have already committed yourself to something. Therefore you cannot examine. You already started with distortion. Or if you say there is nothing, no meaning to life, that also is another form of distortion. So one must be completely free of both the positive and the negative assertion. This is the real beginning of meditation.